Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a game today. It's a maths game and we're going to use toytheatre.com. This game is called Secret Number. You will need at least 2 people to play, but 3 or 4 is probably best. You can play it with your little brothers and sisters or older brothers and sisters. So for this game, the person who's in charge, which is me today, is going to think of a number. I'm going to keep it in my head and I'm not going to tell anyone, but I'm going to give the people playing some clues. So I'm going to say that my number is bigger than 1, but smaller than 10. And then the person needs to choose a number. So let's say they chose 7. My number is smaller than 7. So I'm going to block out these numbers. It can't be these ones. Then another person might choose, and they might say 3. My number is bigger than 3, so it can't be these numbers. We've only got a couple of numbers left. Person might choose 5. My number is smaller than 5. So my number, the secret number, was 4. Super easy game. To start with, I'd probably only go to 10. If your child is really confident with their numbers, you could go up to 20. You could even go up to 50. Hope you enjoy. Thanks very much.